आज कुछ घंटे पहले पोस्ट किया था कि आई एम गोइंग टू लाइट अ दिया and do a ritual with the diya for next 9 days of Navratri. And if anyone loves to do it with me, I'll be doing it for them. So I have so many requests, and thank you so much for trusting me. And genuinely, it means a lot to me. After taking a break for such a long time, you all trust me the same. So I am explaining what will be the procedure. I'll be using fresh new diyas for everybody, whoever has booked the thing with me and who is going to book it after this video. Okay, so this is the fresh diya. Supposingly, I am asking for your name, date of birth, and wish. Right? So there will be a chit like this where your name will be mentioned, date of birth, and your wish will be mentioned, and I am going to put it under your particular diya. Okay. So when we do this, we put it here and we are going to stick this. Okay, with your diya, your wish will be sticked for next 9 days. Okay, so when this is done, okay, and I'm using oil, negativity removal oil. Okay, then this is Mahalakshmi ritual oil I'm going to use for prosperity. I have money oil, I have so many other types of oils with me. I have Venmin oil, I have love oil, I have hex removal oil. So depending on your wish, I will be doing that. Okay. So we have love oil. This is also the love oil I have made. This is also attraction oil I have made myself years ago. So more the oil is like preserved, more it gets stronger with the time. Okay. So I'm going to use negativity removal oil, which is 3.5 years approximately old. So we are going to do it like this, and after doing it I'll be sending you the video. So this is the procedure and the ritual we are going to perform today. Okay, thank you so much.
These are all the wishes and the names and the chits I have right now with me. I'm not focusing on any of the names or any wishes, so that we keep the privacy here. But it's not possible for me to send everyone their chits and name, but again, it is the trust game we have here, and trust me, I'm doing every bit of it. So thank you. This is the video I'm making of Navami, the last day of Navratri, and we have performed this ritual for so many people here. And these are the diya rituals which we have done. All the ingredients which we have used in the diya, each day a different thing has been used in all the diyas. Okay, so this is the last day and this is a setup. Okay, these are all the diyas we have used. What we are going to do is, I have kept this to burn. Once it is done, we are going to use all the herbs, green rice, the orange red rice, the black salt I have made, okay, sage, and few of the negativity removal oil, love oil, accordingly. Okay, now what we are going to do with this is, we are going to put all the ingredients that we have used with this bati in this and then burn it. And after that, I'm going to take all the chits. I'll apply oil according to the wish you have made. For example, you have made a wish for prosperity. I'll add prosperity oil to this and then burn it here. Basically, we use cordon for this, but I have shifted to my hometown and my luggage has been not unpacked right now, so I am using this new one. So please don't mind. It works similarly. Okay, this is Master Merlin, my favorite Archangel Michael, to protection, for the protection. So I'll be shooting another video to show how it is done. Okay, so I'll do my work, my part, and then again come back. And with all my procedures, what I needed to do, see, these are the chits wish list which have been kept here for charging, and now it is being done. And all the oils have been applied here. What we are going to do is, we are going to put it here and burn those chits. I'll do same for everyone. So this is the last day and we have completed all the procedure for those who have requested me. Thanks for the trust, and as promised, I have completed my ritual today. Thank you so much.